Match 2, Chapter 2, Exercise 2.1, Sum number 11. A shop and godown worth rupees 1. A shop and godown worth rupees 1 lakh and 2 lakh respectively were insured through an agent. So, policy property value of shop. Property value of shop is rupees 1 lakh and property value of godown rupees 2 lakh. Okay, agent commission is 12% of the total premium. If the shop was insured for 80% and the godown for 60%, so policy value shop is 80% of 1 lakh, that is 80,000. Policy value of godown is 60% of 2 lakh, is 1,20,000. So now we have policy value 80,000 and 2 lakh. So total policy value combined. So we have combined policy value 80,000 plus 1,20,000 is equal to 2 lakh. Okay. Find the agent commission that the rate of premium was 0.8% less 20%. So rate of premium is 0.80% less 20%. So rate of premium is 0.8% minus 20% of 0.8%. Okay, now 20% is 0.8, 1% is, now 0.8 is can be written as 0.80% minus 0.16%, 20% of 0.8, so 0.64% is the rate of premium. So now premium is equal to policy value, that is combined policy value into rate of premium, upon 100. So combined policy value is 2 lakh into 0.64%, 0.64 upon 100. So 100 will get cancelled. We have 2000, 0.64, so 64 upon 100, again 0 cut, 64 2s are 128, 1280 is premium. So premium is 1280. Now commission is 12% of premium. So agent's commission is 12% of premium. So 12 upon 100 of 1280, 0 will cut. So 128 into 12 divided by 128 into 12 divided by 10. अगर ये दोनों का हाफ करो तो ये 6 होगा और ये 5. So 128 into 6 divided by 5. So 128 into 6, 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12 and 4 16, 6 1 6, 768. 768 divided by 5, 768 divided by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 1 5 3s are 15, 3 153 rupees 60 paise. So agent's commission is rupees 153 rupees 60 paise is agent's commission. Okay, ऐसे हम फिर से देखो. Policy value for shop is 1, property value of shop is 1 lakh, property value of godown is 2 lakh. Now shop is insured for 80%, godown is insured for 60%. Okay, so 80% of 1 lakh, 60% of this. So policy value 180,000, policy value 120. Total policy value 2 lakh. रेट ऑफ प्रीमियम है 0.80, दैट इज़ आप समझ सकते हो 80 पैसे माइनस 20% ऑफ 80 पैसे। अभी 80 पैसे का 20% निकालोगे तो 16 पैसे, सो 80 पैसे माइनस 16 पैसे 64 पैसे, सो 0.64 इज योर रेट ऑफ प्रीमियम। सो प्रीमियम इज इक्वल टू पॉलिसी वैल्यू इंटू रेट ऑफ प्रीमियम अपॉन 100। सो प्रीमियम इज 1280 और 1280 का 12%, सो 153.60 इज एजेंट्स कमीशन। ओके।